Presenting the 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. A low odometer reading makes this vehicle a great value at this price. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission, GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.